Daily markup for gold was the 7th of June 2023. This is the daily chart. We are bullish. Nothing has changed from yesterday. We had a break of structure, and then we've right now in the pullback phase. We've pulled down to, I think, up to about EQ. Yes. So this is price has already pulled down up to EQ, and we can. And it's also kind of bouncing off from this area of this POI, which is demand zone, and we can expect this was also a significant demand zone because it was a flip. It flipped the demand zone here and caused a break of structure. So it's a pretty decent zone. We've tapped into it and we've had a bullish chop, and we can expect that price can go up, or it could further go down. Price doesn't have to do what you think it might do, so we just kind of react to what's happening. But overall, the daily swing is bullish. Right now, the pullback is bearish, although we've had a bullish change of character. Moving on to the H4. The H4 for me is bullish. We've had a break of structure. Over here, we've come into the strong area of supply. We've reacted very strongly from it, come down to this demand zone, and from there we've again kind of reacted. So for me, probably this marks the end of the pullback, although the chalk is also, the change of character happens over here. This was one very long strong momentum bearish leg, and the change of character actually signifies the break of structure, the swing structure, the way I have mapped my structure. So this is the H4. We are bullish. This is the pullback, which I presume is over at the moment. There's nothing, no really demand zone from where I would look for continuation of longs. So if we look at the H1, which I basically use for drawing POIs, so we are currently in this POI over here, which is not very significant, but you can say that this has led to break of this structure. So this is definitely something that I can look for continuation of shorts into this demand, and then continuation of the H4 bullish trend. So yes, I would be interested in looking for shorts from here, and my bias is going to be, that price comes down to this zone somewhere here, and thereafter it continues further. Yeah, so that's my bias as far as the H1 is concerned. Moving on to the M15. Again, this is these are my POIs. Let me get rid of this. The M15 for me is bearish. We've had a break of structure over here, so we've kind of pulled into this is the M15 pullback that's happened. We've pulled into this zone. This is a 1 hour, and there's a refined M15 over here, which we pulled into. We've already kind of mitigated everything over here. We got a reaction, didn't really do much, and we've again kind of come back into this. So if this did not lead to for the price to come down over here, you really have to be asking the question that how much of liquidity is there behind this to fuel a move down to these levels. I doubt there's too much over here. So currently I'm a little undecided in terms of, do I look for shorts from here, or do I look for continuation of the trend? Because if you remember, this is the H4, and we said that the H4 has already kind of the pullback is over, and we are now looking for continuation of the H4 trend. So does it make sense to look for shorts from here? I'm not very sure. But again, like I said, we can look for price action to develop, and we'll take it from there. As far as demand zones are concerned, nothing very clean over here. Everything seems to be mitigated, other than probably this one. So I will have this one drawn and kept ready. So in case price comes down to this, because like I said, I'm not really sure how much of a reaction we can now expect from this POI, which has already been mitigated not once, twice, thrice, but it's really failed to do anything major. So we can expect the continuation from here, and probably this is where M15 might turn bullish and take out this. But at the moment, I would still go with, I'm not going to complicate anything. I would consider this as the weak swing low for the M15. And also be aware of the fact that we are coming off from a very strong H4 demand zone, and this is also the extreme from where we expect the H4 trend to continue, and hence my outlook is that probably this also marks the change in the swing trend for the M15. So yeah, so nothing really to do. Sit on your hands, wait for price to come down maybe to this POI, and then look for longs from here.